Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move things in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing would be is just to start your project. So here in the file menu, you can simply go to the new projects and create a new project. Otherwise, you can simply open the project. Now you will be needing to start adding clips into your timeline. So basically here you would find the timeline and I'm just going to add this video and let's just keep the project settings. We go to stock images and I go to downloads and for example, we can add these ones, this one. So here we can learn how to start moving objects. So if you want to start moving in the timeline, it is intuitive and easy. You will be needing just to drag and start moving your elements. And from here, you will be able to see the three videos, etc. in this moment. And I'm just going to resize them. And basically the layers is going from top to bottom. So as you can see, this is the front face or the front ground. This is the background, etc. So here I'm just going to resize this one so they can just be visible. And here we have this video. So as you can see now, you can start moving also your page. So inside the video. So if we go to the preview, for example, you'd see this one, and basically you'd be having this and then the video will be showing etc and you can start moving either going for example to the video panel or the property panel from the video and from here you can start changing the position or you can simply go to the project preview and from here you can change the properties. So as you can see the property is already showing automatically if we go this and basically it will be applied inside the video. So basically, this is how you can start moving things in Filmora. Thank you for watching and see you next time.